But today we are going to do a little review of mitosis, and we're actually going to learn a little bit more about mitosis because that's our goal for this unit. Target C is use a model to illustrate the role of the cell cycle in differentiation, producing, and maintaining complex organisms like us. So what I want you to do right now, using your previous knowledge and just what we talked about right now, you have to come up with explanation and visual presentation of your face. Visual presentation of your face plus explanation and definition of any scientific terms that I applied in your face, particular face. Okay? Any questions?
No.
No. Your cytokinesis again, telophase, anaphase, Aurelius, Dylan, Kenya.
You know they haven't had this yet, right?
Haven't had what?
Any of us.
Yeah.
Look it up.
You want them to look it up?
No, I thought that
No, this
previous
class.
knowledge, the check of the previous knowledge.
Okay, good luck with that.
Okay, anybody knows these stages yet?
No.
Okay, then we will go through them together.
I thought you were gonna do this after they had it.
Okay, well, now I missed it. Okay, this slide, we saw this slide before, right?
Yeah.
This is the actual cell cycle that we talked about. Interphase, as you can see, it takes something. Each of your, how many chromosomes do you have in your body? Kaylee, how many chromosomes do you have in your body? 12? Billions of chromosomes. Wow.
Yeah,
No, it's how many cells?
That's how many cells? 37 trillion
That
cells.
should get half and half.
Correct. Well, what is the half coming from one of your parent? What is another half coming from another parent?
Isn't it 6 from each parent?
How many?
6 from each parent.
6, 23, 12.
I think it's total.
Okay. What about 46 chromosomes in the human body? Have you heard that? Okay. 23 from your mom, 23 from your dad. That's why you are resembling a little bit of both, and your mom and your dad.
You ever heard that program 23andMe?
Oh yeah.
That's what that means.
I was wondering what that 23
23 chromosomes from your mom, 23 chromosomes from your dad. Total 46. So that's where 46 chromosomes basically they duplicate and they become 92. The G2 phase, cell double checks the duplicated chromosomes for error, making any needed repairs. Those checked people yesterday, raise your hands. So what's the next will be after the interphase? Mitosis. And mitosis itself, like interphase has 3 stages. Mitosis have 4 phases, and they're called PMAT. That would be very easy for you to write down. For mitosis, just write down somewhere PMAT.
You got a PFAS for me tomorrow? Go get one.
And PMAT stands for all phases inside of mitosis. P stands for prophase, M for metaphase, A for anaphase, and T for telophase. But we'll go over them one by one. I just want you to write down this abbreviation, PMAT. So after interphase, we get mitosis, which consists of prophase. In prophase, that's the first stage of mitosis. Chromosomes become condensed and they become visible inside of the cell. And we will have a microscope lab where we'll try to differentiate and we'll try to see those little threads becoming like axe shape basically. Like you can see it right here. They become more condensed, they are not anymore thread-like structure. So with all that information that you just wrote down, I would like you to, two people will come out from your tables and do presentation. I don't know who it will be, I will decide later. So all of you have to get ready, and I will call out two people from each table to present your stage. One person will do visuals, another person will be describing and explaining what is happening in that particular stage. Okay?
You throw some screen over there with,
Yeah, Jamarin, you can join Kaylee right there at this table. You can move on right now. So let's talk. I will give you like just 5 minutes to talk about this, or maybe even less, because you have all your information in front of you. But I want you to do the visual for your face, and I want to write down a few sentences to describe and explain what is going on there. And one more thing is, do you know the sign language? A, B, C, D, whatever? Yeah. So you have to come up with the sign for your particular face.
Sign language?
Yes, like
You got
just to explain it with hands. Just a brainstorm. I'm giving you like, you gotta go on already. Do visuals, do explanations, and think about how you present the stage with just two hands. Fingers, hands, maybe you can use four. You can use 4 hands if you want to, because you will be together, huh? You talk, you will talk. You just,
I'm confused, write it down.
So we come up with a hand signal for
your face.
our face, and what else?
You do visual and explanation.
you'll be drawing up on the whiteboard.
Just draw it on the board, yeah, your face, that's it. Any questions? Go ahead.
Alright, so what's our stage?
Can I use this whiteboard?
So, why do you do that?
Yeah, you-
So the interface of 3 stages of the whole phase, G1, S, and G2. In this phase, it goes through its regular activities until mitosis. The cell grows and gets fat, and then it gets 2 of everything, and then in G2, it checks if it has everything.
Great job. What's the sign language, hand sign? Just bigger, okay.
So the metaphase is the chromosome pairs coming together to join on the equator, the center line of the cell.
Okay, so metaphase, chromosome, sister chromatids, not chromosomes, sister chromatids. They're going to the equator of the cell. That's the main thing of metaphase. Next one, Alisa, and let's go, Noah.
Oh yeah, come on.
We're still-
Hustle.
Let's go explain what's going on in anaphase.